Hi guys and welcome back to the 92 FC Challenge, and today is Matchday 46, although we still have to revisit Cambridge due to the flooding last time we went. But yeah, Matchday 46, we're going to see Watford. Used to be a Premier League ground, but Championship now. It's going to be versus Swansea, Vicarage Road, so hopefully it's going to be good. Just headed into Birmingham now, got 25 minutes left. Obviously I've left school and then met Dad and then got dressed into my clothes, and then now we're going to go Birmingham. We're going to get on a train which is like an hour and 20 minutes to Watford, and then a 20-minute walk. So yeah, hopefully it will be good, and I will see you guys when we get to Vicarage Road. Bye bye. I got to be in the stadium. Absolutely beautiful. Train was 20 minutes delayed, so we sprinted, ran just in time for kick-off at the moment. About to kick off. Match predictions, Dad. I'm going to go 1-1. He said 2-1. 2-1 Watford. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be good, and yeah, I will see you guys after the match, maybe at half time if it's not busy, but who knows. So yeah, hopefully it's a good match, and I'll see you guys after a match. Bye bye. Hi guys, half time now, it's 1-0 Swansea due to our own goal. It was really hilarious but also really bad because obviously it was but yeah, so hopefully the second half will be better from Watford's point of view, and yeah, I'll see you guys after the match. Bye bye. Hi guys, in the car now. Just had a train trip, left 5 minutes early, but we sprinted, and I mean sprinted, but we still got there with plenty of time to a train station. So it was good, the second half for Watford. Watford pulled it back 1-1. Which was my match prediction, so I got the match prediction right today. But yeah, it's been really good. Watford could have easily won, but if it wasn't for that like header thing with the keeper, but which is my school. That's all I care about. So yeah, that was good. And then just got into the car and gonna head home, which is gonna take about half an hour. So I'm gonna get there about like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I got school tomorrow. But thank God it's well booked there, so it's decent, and I get to go in my pyjamas. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a good like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook and X. And yeah,
Next game. When's the next game? Where are we going? What are we doing?
Haven't got a next game in a long time, have we?
Next week.
Next week?
We are off to Crewe as Sutton fans.
Oh yeah, Sutton. And I'll get to wear my top, wouldn't I?
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next banger. Bye bye.